Hey everyone, so I have this 12802 Radio Shack. I just got it in the mail and I just wanted to show everybody how to hack it and make it into a spare box. Now what I like about this particular radio is it's nice and small. It fits perfectly in your hand. You can carry it around. It seems small. It's about as small as an SB7 spare box, similar to it. They're kind of hard to find lately, but I come across this one pretty cheap, so I picked it up. What's cool about these too is you actually, like, this has like a speaker switch, which on the side, which is pretty cool, that you could either switch to headphones or speaker, and then it has a headphone out, so you could hook up to your Portal or whatever else you want, a little reverb or take some static out. It's not a very staticky box to begin with. It has AM FM sweep. I just hacked this, so I just want to turn it on and show you what it sounds like, and then I'll show you the video of how it's done. It's pretty simple. So basically, let's turn it on. It's on AM, on FM, and then at night, AM will look amazing on these, like really good. Here we go on screen. Now, I don't get any stations on here really, maybe like 3, so. And if you want it on AM, this has a stereo and mono on the side too. Right, so this will be AM. You're not gonna really hear anything. There's no AM during the day here. But these work great too if you're, say you're like in a city area or something like that. You get a really good reception with it. It's one of my favorites for cemeteries for some reason. Plus, see how quiet this game is? Like, it's super quiet radio. Alright, so basically for tools, all you're gonna need is a small flathead screwdriver, and a small Phillips screwdriver. And then something to cut a wire. I usually use these. You can use fingernail clippers, or just about anything to cut. Anything that cuts will work. Alright, so what you want to do is, there's only 2 screws that hold this whole thing together. So you want to use your Phillips screwdriver, and it helps to have a magnified screwdriver as well. Okay, so we'll set these off to the side. Okay, now to open this, grab each side and gently pull. Kind of stick your fingernails in between there and pull. And if you can't get it open that way, all it does is snap open. So if you can't get it done open that way, which I'm having no problem, you take a flathead, small flathead, and just stick it in between like that and pry. See how it's opening up? Just gently pry it open. And there you go. Opens right up. So when you open it up, you look at these little cluster of ribbon wires, and you count over 3. So there's a little cluster of 2. The one to the left of it, that one right there, you cut. So what I usually do is I try to separate the 2 with a screwdriver or something else, just kind of work my way in there. So I separated the 2 wires, stuck a screwdriver through just to make sure I got the right one. Okay, and I just pull the screwdriver back out. You don't have to do it this way, but it's just kind of like a safety measure for me. So then I just cut this one wire. Made sure no metal is touching either side. You can cut the rest of this metal off too, just to make sure it doesn't affect any of the other electronics, or you can even put some liquid electrical tape on it if you want, to make sure it doesn't touch anything. And then you just put it back together. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope this helped somebody hack a Radio Shack. They're not all the same. They're all different. Some have the solder wire, some have the cutter wire. But I couldn't find a video on how to do the 12802, so I figured I would do one for someone that's looking. So yeah, I hope you like it. Like, share, subscribe. If you want more of these videos, how-to videos, let me know in the comments. And thank you, and hope you're all doing well.